special Carols night. Renaissance Group of Companies, in partnership with the Central Regional Coordinating Council, Ahunka FM, Eagle FM, and Ocean One TV, is organizing Regional Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols Night. Theme: The Messiah's Welcome, featuring Winneba Youth Choir, Euphoric Choral, Sandra and Sarah. The date is Saturday, 12 December 2015. Venue: Pempamsia Hotel, Second Ridge, Cape Coast. Time is 6:30 p.m. Rate is free. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all come together and hail the born Prince of Peace.